up, guys? It's Zane the Gamer here today with another video. Yes, I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. I tried uploading a video this morning. I tried uploading a video 2 weeks ago. It didn't work. I don't know what happened to this thing, but still got a sponsor. So go to Screamcast-O-Matic if you want to make a YouTube channel. Go to, but you're gonna have to make a gaming channel first. Use this app. It's called Screamcast-O-Matic. Yeah, and we'll see you in the game. So I'm playing Mortal Kombat, as you can see right there. It says right there, Mortal Kombat. Yeah. Boom, boom. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a short video, just saying yes. Okay, wait. Let me change my ugly gun. Oh, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go back. We're gonna play some games. I wanna bully. I wanna leave. I'm a punk. Okay. No, I know I haven't uploaded video a long time. Alright, guys. Official. Okay. So this video is not gonna be that long because I actually have to eat. So this video is not gonna be that long. Maybe I'll play 1 or 2 matches. Like one match is like 5 minutes, right? Okay, but the match was already started. Oh, what the heck? Yes, nice. Sneeze is going. I do hate gun stealers, but like I'm not that much of a gun stealer. Or like in other like it depends though. If I have a good gun, no. I mean, if I have a good gun and theirs is bad, no. Like, but whatever. What the heck? Oh, that guy was using the same Desi 1310. Yeah, that gun's good. Same gun, great gun. It's actually a great, like, literally a great gun. So, you could see my name is LaserBlade30. Oh, man, there's some stuff going on here. So that guy's getting shot. I got my pistol and I'm ready to go. Guys, if this video does end, subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and share, please. I think I might actually upload this video. I don't know, guys. I really want to. They call me Pista Nova. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I needed that gun that he had. I think he had this. Oh, this guy had a sniper though. That guy's good aiming. I'm just joking. He's trash. You can't give anyone credit. Like, you know how it is, Zane. Yeah, this is the gun I had. Wait. Okay. Oh no! Help! 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 They're teaming. They're teaming. They're cross teaming. Oh man, they were cross teaming. Alright, I think I'm gonna lose. Need this. Yes. Ah! Oh, man. Alright, just wait 1 second. Okay, done. Cross steamers. Oh, come on. Alright, guys, as I said, one more match only. Okay, who won? Who's even third? That guy, look at that guy. Oh my god, I don't need to know about this. Okay, whatever. Alright, so, yeah, so I got 8 credits, 25 diamond dust, and I got Soldier's Loot, not ranked though. Okay, so FIFA construction site. Alright guys, last match. You better play good. What? Why is my mouse glitching? It's like blinking. So this is the whole map. Alright, let's go. Better play good. I better play good. Nice. Let's go. Let's start. Oh, what? That card got 1 kill? Oh. This is gonna be a long match. So yeah. Shh. What the heck? I saw someone go there. Should I hide here? No. I'm not gonna be scared, you cat. No, I couldn't kill that guy. Third place though, as you could see on the top corner where the time limit is. Third place, 1 kill. First guy, he's doing good. Gotta give him some credit. Oh, guys, the game is glitching. Oh, hope you guys could hear me. I just clapped, but yeah. Man, it does that a lot now. Right. Take this. Yo, this gun was good. Oh no, almost got him. Wait, I'm gonna vote map quickly. No, this. Wait. Undo. No, wait, why'd I vote? Wait, what? Why'd I vote for it? I forgot. I'm only gonna play. Guys, remember, I'm not gonna play the whole match of this. I'm gonna end it in maybe when it gets to 3:30. Oh, pistol v pistol. Nice. Oh, that guy helped me kill him though, so gotta give him credit. Oh no, died. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe.